Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the annual math quiz of Oshwal Academy, Nairobi Senior High. I'm Josh Sumaria and I'm emceeing with
Anika Parpia. From the number 0 to the number 1,000, the letter A appears only in which number?
Thousand.
Correct. Apart from 1, I am the first positive number that's both a square and a cube.
64.
That's correct. All natural numbers are whole numbers. However, not all whole numbers can be considered natural. True or false?
True.
Correct. The Fibonacci sequence was invented by?
Fibonacci.
Incorrect. You guys qualify for a bonus question. Would you like to take it? It will double your points for round 1, and if you get it wrong, your points will halve. Okay, the bonus question won't be answered. Can we give them a round of applause? What is the name of the first maths book ever written? Clue, it was written by Euclid and is about 2,300 years old.
Pause.
If the sides of a triangle measure 5, 13 and 12, what's the angle defined by the sides which are 5 and 12?
90 degrees.
That's correct. Which prime number is closest to 100?
97.
Incorrect. 101. What shape are honeycomb cells?
Hexagons.
That's correct. You did not qualify for the bonus question, and the correct answer for the first one was the book The Elements. Can we give them a round of applause? Which number does not have a reciprocal? 0. That's correct. Can we give them a round of applause? And the rules are as follows. It's open to any team, and after the question, the team that buzzes first will get the chance to answer it. The question will not be completed if a team buzzes before I finish reciting the question. The team is then expected to answer the incomplete question. Answer the question only after the judge has confirmed the team, who rings the buzzer. And a correct answer scores 4 points. An incorrect or no answer reduces your point by 1. A total of 16 questions will be asked, and questions cannot be passed in this round. An invalid argument form, often used incorrectly as a rule of inference, is A. Proof, B. Conjecture, C. Theorem, D. Fallacy. An invalid argument form, often used incorrectly as a rule of inference, is A. Proof, B. Conjecture, C. Theorem, D. Fallacy. Emerald?
Fallacy.
That's correct. Which Scottish mathematician invented logarithms? A. Srinivasa Ramanujan, B. Paul Erdős, C. John Napier, D. George Ferdinand Cantor. Which Scottish mathematician invented logarithms? A. Srinivasa Ramanujan, B. Paul Erdős, C. John Napier, and D. George Ferdinand Cantor.
C. John Napier.
That's correct. In Euclidean geometry, what's the definition of a triangle? A. Quarter of a square. B. A polygon. C. A two-dimensional plane determined by any 3 points. D. A shape that has at least 3 angles.
Sapphire.
Sapphire. That's correct. It's C. 4 prime numbers are arranged in ascending order. The product of the first 3 is 385 and of the last 3 is 1001. The largest prime number is A11, B13, C17, D9. A11, B13, C17, D9. A11, 4 prime numbers are arranged in ascending order. The product of the first 3 is 385 and of the last 3 is 1001. The largest prime number is We don't have a response, so we're moving on to the next question. The correct answer is 13. We're moving on to the next question. Which of the following invented algebra? A. Meghat, B. Bhaskar, C. Apastam, D. Aryabhatta. D. Incorrect. The answer is B. Bhaskar. We're moving on to the next question. If the difference between 4 times and 8 times the number is 36, then the number is A3, B18, C9. That's correct. Moving on to the next question. The line y is equals to x plus 1 is a tangent to the curve y squared is equals to 4x. At the point A 1, 2, B 2, 1, D negative 1, 2 and D 1, negative 2. The line y is equals to x plus 1 is a tangent to the curve y squared is equals to 4x at the point A 1, 2. Emerald?
1 and 2.
That's correct. Moving on to the next question, we have let the function f is r. Let f as r tends to r be defined as f of x is equals to 2x plus cos x. Then f has a maximum at x equals 0, b has a maximum at x is equals to 3t, c is an increasing function, d is a decreasing function. Let f colon r tends to r be defined as f of x is equals to Emerald.
It's an increasing function.
That's correct. The mathematical symbol infinity was invented by A. William Outred, B. Leonard Euler, C. Blaise Pascal, and D. John Wallis. Sapphire? That's correct. D. Moving on, the distance of a point from the y-axis on the graph in the Cartesian coordinate system is called A. Consequent, B. Abysia, C. ordinate, and D, antecedent. The distance of a point from the y-axis on the graph in the Cartesian coordinate system is called A, consequent, B, abysia, C, ordinate, D, antecedent. The answer was B, abysia.
There are 5 squares. The area of the smallest square is 1. Find H. Ruby House.
2 root 2 minus 1.
Incorrect. Okay, the answer is 4.
Question 4, I got 1 plus 2 and 2.
That's correct.
For question 1, f1 is 12 over root 3 and f2 is 24 over root 3.
That's incorrect. F1 is 12 root 3, F2 is 24.
For question 2, I got 4 over 11.
Question 2, yeah, that's incorrect.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's incorrect. It's 1 over 13.
Question 2. I have 6 minus 3. X is 6, y is minus 3.
Oh, it's incorrect. X is 2, Y is 1. You can start the timer.
X is 0, x is negative 2.
That's correct. The correct answers for question 1, it was 7. For question 2, it was 118 newtons is R and mu is 15 over 118. And for question 3, it's 5 over 8.
Number 4. Negative 8I minus 10J Newton seconds.
It's incorrect. The answer is 10. You have a few seconds to decide which question you want to do amongst yourself. Could we please have less commotion in the crowd?
I hope it was fair to everyone. It was your ability which could help you get these marks.